Hello everyone, this is Brandon again, one more time all the way from Chile, and today we have another video on the ODROID-GO Super, and we will be playing FIFA 21 on it, so I'll see you there. And you might be wondering, how can we play FIFA 21 on the ODROID-GO Super? And the answer is in the last video where we install Android 11 on it, so I'll show you right now how to do it. So first of all, you need a USB hub, so you can connect your mouse and your keyboard and your Wi-Fi module in order to connect to the internet. Once you do that, you can log in into your Google account and then look for a Steamlink on the Google Store. Once you're done, you can just open up the app, make sure you have Steam open on your computer, and the app is gonna connect to your computer and it's gonna give you a code you have to insert on Steam on your laptop or computer. In that way, you'll be able to connect to your computer and stream any games that you have in it. And as you can see, I have some games here on my Steam account. We're gonna play FIFA 21 this time. And there it is, FIFA 21, working on ODROID-GO Super. You can play any game that you want as long as your computer can run it. You can stream it using a Steamlink. And that was today's video playing FIFA 21 on ODROID-GO Super, so I'll see you in the next one.